Hey everybody, welcome back. Thanks for coming back to the channel. Just going to be a short video. Just wanted to talk about a few kits that I've six kits that I've recently got. And also these two stickers that you see down below them. I mentioned, well, before that, let me talk about these stickers. So these stickers, Mark at Hobby Nut Models sent them over. These stickers are designed by a local artist to Mark up in Tennessee. He did the posters for the Chattanooga Nationals. So he's a full-time artist, and the proceeds, when Mark sells a sticker, 75% of that goes to that fella, that artist. And since he's a full-time artist, he can use all the help he can get. These stickers are really, really cool. They're like a matte finish almost. They're not shiny, but they're like, you can tell they're very high quality. And they're very cool. So take a look at Hobby Nut Models. He's got these stickers on there. They're very inexpensive. Grab a sticker, grab a model, have some fun, stick it somewhere. Wanted to talk to you about these kits. I recently I did a showing you some of my kits, and I mentioned about the 53 Ford. I've got it. It's actually on the shelf right behind me here, and I'm not going to take it down. And I said I was going to try and get one of the 53 Fords because it is actually the re-release of the 1994 kit, which is actually a re-release of like the 1964, I think it was originally released. So I got this at Hobby Lobby recently, and so I'm going to build a stock version of this. This kit's got a lot of extra parts in it, because it has this custom model that you have the different engine and the lower. It's a lot of customizing stuff that I won't use, but anyway, I'll go ahead and build one of these. So I'm excited to build the 53 again. I've already built one, and it was the weathered kit, but yeah, it's pretty cool. Also, when I was doing that video, I was talking about the 53. I mentioned about the MPC. That MPC actually, AMT built or took or acquired MPC or some of their molds. I forget what the deal was. I didn't do a lot of research in it, but anyway, this kit actually became an AMT kit with the flip nose. But Mark knew that I'd mentioned that, Mark at Hobby Nut Models, and he had this kit and he sent it to me, and it's really, really cool. Okay, here we go. I didn't even see this. This was after AMT acquired MPC, or maybe MPC acquired AMT. I forget. But this kit's all complete. It's all there. It's going to be really cool. And I'll never build it, because I'll put it on my shelf and hoard it, because that just irritates the mess out of some people. But I love having these old kits on the shelf. One day I might build it. So that is the MPC 53 Ford flip nose pickup, and that is really cool. Also, I have this, and you probably have seen this kit in the stores. I got this from Hobby Nut, but this is another cool kit. Monogram, and like I say, this is a 55, but again, the same basic design truck as the 53. The 55 is just a little bit different, but this is going to be a fun build by Monogram, obviously Revell Monogram. So you know the quality is going to be great on this kit, and I think the suspension is lowered on it, so I don't think it would look good like as a stock kit. I don't even think it comes with stock wheels. I've not opened it up. It's still in the plastic, but because it comes with looks like a 5.0 or a fuel injected Ford, looks like one out of a Mustang or something, I would imagine that the wheels are also these mags are the wheels that come with it. So if there's a stock option, that's the way I like to build my kits. But anyway, this would be a fun build. This one here is really cool. I got this one from Hobby Nut. It was one of those new old stock type kits. I built this as a kid. I've been looking to get this kit, and I have the prices they're fairly high on eBay, and he had this kit for like $12, so I got this. But I built this kit as a kid, and this brings back a lot of memories. There were several different ones, same kit but boxed different. I think the one I had was maybe a little older than this one, but this was the kit. Has opening doors and stuff like that. So this is so cool. It brings back so many memories. I have a picture of this kit. The house that I grew up in, where this truck met its demise, burned down. So I don't have the old model. I don't have any of my old models. I have some parts and pieces. I don't know how I acquired them, but anyway, I've got some old broken kits and things. But this kit, this truck I had built, and I'm pretty sure it got burned into fire. But it just brings back so many memories, and I have a picture of it, and I've got to find it. And if I can find it, I'll put it in this video, but I don't know if I can come across it or not. But anyway, yeah, this was I think this was like 1980. Where's the date? 1991. This one is from 1991 by Monogram. Really cool. 1940 Ford pickup. That's a really, really cool truck. Do you know the difference in a 1939 and a 1940? My dad was a stickler. He was a real stickler when it come to 39s and 40s. So it would irritate him to no end watching a television show of someone, it was talking about a car or something like that. They would say, this is a 39, and he would be, that's not a 39, that's a 40. And the difference is the grill. And I think the hood has a little bit different flair on it, but the grill on a 39 has a 3-piece grill. It has a center section, and it has 2 outside sections, where this 40, I guess that, would you call that a single piece or a 2-piece grill? But yeah, there's a difference. And here's another one that I also got from Mark at Hobby Nut. 61 Chevy Impala. This is a really nice kit. I can't wait to get into this one. I'll build this one. But it's I've seen guys on Facebook build this one. It turns out really, really nice. And it'll be a fun kit to build. I love it when they have the two-tone. This one has the white stripe there. If you do it red, it just, those two-tone paint jobs like that really, really look good. Also has the 409 in it, the W head or whatever they call it engine, which is really cool. And it has the stock hubcaps or the mag wheels. So this would be a really cool kit to build. And last but not least, I just picked this one up on eBay recently, and I got a steal on this thing. I don't know why it ended up slipping through other people's hands, and I got it so cheap. But anyway, I didn't pay much at all for this thing. But it's the Revell Sox and Martin GTX, and this will be a cool. I love to build old drag cars. This will be a really, really cool kit if I decide to build it. Let's see, how old is this thing? This one is surely it's got a 1994. It's got the Hemi, so that'll be a cool kit to build. And I just like to show you guys what I've got, not bragging at all. I just don't really have a modeling community locally where I'm at, and so I need to show these off to someone, not brag, but tell you about what I've got. And these are going to be fun. And it's just, man, my shelves are full of some cool kits. And I'm just going to keep building my inventory, because I find I get a lot of joy from buying these things and looking at them. And some people call them toys, and it's a little bit offensive if you call them toys. I don't think they're toys. I think they're a very neat hobby, to say the least. Guys, go over, pick up a sticker. Support that guy. Local artist needs support. Mark's good enough to give the man like 75% of the sale proceeds, and they're really nice stickers. And he's got others. He's got airplanes and other things. So go check him out. If you haven't already, join our Facebook group. Go over to Model Car Videos Facebook group. The link will be in the description. And join our Facebook group. We're having a really, really good time over there. Lots of people have joined. It's growing rapidly. So many talented builders over there. If you've heard those dings on my phone as I've been filming this, that's what that is. That's guys on Facebook posting things. So go over and let's have a look at your work, and post your pictures and talk about things and have a good time over there. Also, if you haven't gone over to Hobby Nut Models, go over and check Mark's inventory out, and link will be in the description for Hobby Nut Models as well. But anyway, guys, just wanted to show you these kits I've got. Good times. I love it when the mailman comes. It's kind of funny. My wife will send me a picture sometimes. There will be a box, and she's like, "You have a delivery," and she knows exactly what it is. You all know what I'm talking about. It's just, you can't hide it. They know. It's an addiction. Sorry. I'm Matthew, and I'm addicted to models. Hey guys, you take care. Like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. You guys take care.